Guys, welcome on Control Panel Overview in Samsung Dishwasher DW60R7050FS. So, the first button is the power, so of course if you want to switch it on or switch it off. This panel is a cycle, so by these buttons you can adjust your cycle type. This button is for use the only lower rack to save the energy. The next button is Sanitize. So if you want to increase the water temperature, you can do it by this button. To set the speed buster, tap on this one, and if you want to control the lock panel, click here. This button is for delay, and this is for start. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.